Hello once again, it's Greg from Bug Out Gear Layouts and Tactics Facebook page and UrbanSafetySurvival.net, back again with another video for you. We're heading into the urban jungle today, and trust me, this concrete jungle can be just as unpredictable as the Amazon. We're talking about being prepared for anything. Fires, floods, blackouts, you name it. Because when disaster strikes, you don't want to be caught off guard. This isn't about living in fear, it's about taking control. It's about having the knowledge and the tools to protect yourself and your loved ones when it matters most. We're going to equip you with the skills you need to navigate the unexpected, to stay calm under pressure, and to emerge from any crisis stronger than ever. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's transform you from a city slicker into a true urban survivalist. Out here in the wilderness, I live by one rule. Be prepared. This rule isn't just for the wild, it's a principle that applies to every aspect of life, especially in unpredictable environments. And the same goes for navigating the urban jungle. Cities can be just as unpredictable and dangerous as the wilderness. First things first, we need an emergency action plan, a roadmap for when things go south. This plan should cover all possible scenarios and ensure everyone knows their role. Get everyone in your household together. This is a team effort. Everyone needs to be on the same page to ensure the plan works effectively. Talk about the potential dangers in your area. Understanding the specific risks you face is crucial for effective preparation. Could be anything: fires, earthquakes, floods, blizzards. Each type of disaster requires a different approach and preparation. Knowing your enemy is half the battle. Research and understand the nature of these disasters to better prepare for them. Next, let's talk power outages. These can happen unexpectedly and last for varying durations. Imagine the grid goes down, no lights, no fridge, no internet. It's a scenario that can quickly become dangerous if you're not prepared. Figure out how you'll stay warm, how you'll cook, how you'll communicate. These are essential for maintaining safety and comfort during an outage. And while we hope for the best, we prepare for the worst. This mindset ensures that you're ready for any situation. Discuss what to do if someone gets injured. Immediate and effective response can make a significant difference. Knowing basic first aid can be a lifesaver. Make sure everyone in the household is familiar with these skills. Now let's map it out literally. A visual plan can help everyone understand the escape routes and safety measures. Draw a floor plan of your home, marking 2 escape routes from each room. This ensures you have options if one route is blocked. It's like finding your way out of a dense jungle. You need multiple paths in case one is blocked. Flexibility is key in emergencies. Learn how to shut off the essentials: water, gas, electricity. These can become hazards if not properly managed during a crisis. These are your lifeline in a crisis, but they can also turn dangerous. Proper knowledge and practice are essential. Knowing where the main switches are and how to use them is crucial. This knowledge can prevent further damage and ensure safety. Keep a list of emergency numbers by every phone and make sure everyone, even the youngest, knows how and when to call for help. This simple step can save lives. In an emergency, every second counts. Quick access to emergency contacts can make a significant difference. When disaster strikes, information is power. Staying informed helps you make better decisions. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio handy to stay updated on the situation. This can be a critical source of information when other communication methods fail. And if the worst happens and your family gets separated, you need a plan to reunite. This ensures everyone knows where to go and who to contact. Choose an out-of-state contact and a local one. This provides multiple points of contact and increases the chances of reconnecting. It's easier to reach someone outside the affected area during a crisis. This can be a lifeline when local lines are down. Finally, pick 2 meeting places, one near your home for quick evacuations and one further away in case you can't return. This ensures you have a safe place to regroup. Remember, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. This mindset is crucial for effective disaster management. By taking these steps, you're one step closer to conquering the urban jungle. Preparedness is your best defense against the unexpected. Out here, I patched myself up more times than I can count. Knowing basic first aid is as essential in the city as it is in the wild. Accidents happen, and when they do, you need to be ready. A sprained ankle, a cut, a burn. These may seem minor, but knowing how to handle them can make all the difference. Find a certified first aid and CPR course in your area. These courses are like your survival guide. teaching you how to respond to a range of medical emergencies. You'll learn how to control bleeding, bandage wounds, and even perform CPR techniques that could save a life. Trust me, this knowledge is empowering. Having the right first aid kit and knowing how to use it means the difference between life and death. Your kit should include essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Keep it organized and easily accessible. Don't forget to check your kit regularly and replace any expired items. An out-of-date bandage is about as useful as a chocolate fire guard. Think of it as your own personal survival kit, ready to tackle any medical challenge the urban jungle throws your way. Remember, in an emergency, you are often your own first responder. Be prepared, be confident, and be the difference. In the wilderness, my backpack is my lifeline. It holds everything I need to navigate the unknown and survive the elements. It carries everything I need to survive, from food and water to tools and shelter. In the city, your disaster supplies kit plays the same role, ensuring you're prepared for any emergency. This isn't about packing for a weekend getaway, it's about having enough to get you through at least 72 hours after a disaster. This kit is your lifeline in an urban environment. Think of it as your urban survival kit, a collection of essentials that can make all the difference. Water is your #1 priority. Aim for 1 gallon per person per day, stored in sealed, unbreakable containers. This ensures you stay hydrated and healthy. Replace it every 6 months. Stale water is not your friend. Fresh water is crucial for survival. Next up, food. Stock up on non-perishable items that require no cooking: canned goods, energy bars, dried fruit, nuts. These items provide essential nutrients and energy. And don't forget a manual can opener. It's a small tool that can make a big difference. Remember, comfort is crucial in a crisis. Pack a change of clothes for each family member, including rain gear and sturdy shoes. These will keep you dry and protected. You never know what weather the urban jungle will throw at you. Be prepared for anything. A first aid kit is a must-have, and don't forget any essential medications. These can be lifesavers in an emergency. Pack extras just in case. You never know how long you might need them. Pack a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and plenty of extra batteries. These tools keep you informed and safe. These are your lifelines to the outside world and your sources of light. When the power goes out, they help you navigate the darkness. Cash is king in an emergency. ATMs might be down, so keep some on hand. It's always good to have cash readily available. Also, pack copies of important documents, IDs, insurance cards, medical information. These documents are crucial for identification and medical care. If you have infants, elderly family members, or anyone with special needs, pack accordingly. Diapers, formula, extra medications. These are essential for their well-being. Make sure you have enough to last. Your disaster supplies kit is your safety net, your insurance policy against the unexpected. It provides peace of mind in uncertain times. Keep it organized, easily accessible, and ready to grab at a moment's notice. Your preparedness can make all the difference. In the wild, when danger strikes, you need to know how to make a swift exit. It's a matter of survival, and the same principle applies to urban settings. The same goes for your urban jungle. Cities can be just as unpredictable and dangerous. Fire, floods, gas leaks, these situations demand a quick and decisive escape. Every second counts when you're facing such emergencies. That's where your escape plan comes in. It's your blueprint for safety. Remember that floor plan we talked about? It's more than just a piece of paper. Now it's time to turn it into your escape route map. This map is your guide to safety. Mark at least 2 ways out of every room. This redundancy ensures you have options. Think of it like navigating a dense forest. You wouldn't rely on just one path. You need alternative paths in case your primary route is blocked. Obstacles can appear out of nowhere. Windows, doors, even balconies can be escape routes in a pinch. Be creative and resourceful. Highlight the location of your emergency supplies, fire extinguishers, smoke detectors, and utility shutoff points. These are crucial for your safety. Knowing where these are can save precious seconds. Seconds that could mean the difference between life and death. Once you've mapped out your escape routes, practice, practice, practice. Repetition builds muscle memory. Run drills with your entire household at least twice a year. Make it a routine. Make it a game for the kids. Time yourselves and see if you can improve your speed. Make sure everyone knows what to do and where to go. Clarity is key in emergencies. Remember, familiarity breeds confidence. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be. When practicing your escape plan, don't forget to simulate real conditions. Crawl low under imaginary smoke. This is crucial for avoiding smoke inhalation. Smoke inhalation is a silent killer, and staying low can be a lifesaver. Always remember this, staying low can be a lifesaver. Practice this regularly. Designate a meeting place outside your home where everyone gathers after evacuation. This ensures everyone is accounted for and safe. It's a simple step that can prevent panic. This ensures everyone is accounted for and safe. A head count can save lives. Remember, a well-rehearsed escape plan can be the difference between life and death. It's not just a plan, it's a lifeline. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Be proactive. Start planning your escape today. Your safety depends on it. Out here, my vehicle is more than just transportation. It's my mobile survival unit. In the concrete jungle, your car can play the same role. Imagine getting stranded in a blizzard, a flash flood, or a gridlock caused by an earthquake. Your car becomes your shelter, your lifeline. First things first, communication. A battery-powered radio and extra batteries are essential for staying informed about the situation. Next, illumination. A powerful flashlight with extra batteries is crucial for navigating dark roads or signaling for help. Pack a warm blanket, booster cables, and a fire extinguisher. You never know when you'll need to stay warm, jumpstart your car, or put out a small fire. A basic first aid kit and manual are a must-have for any car, especially if you're facing a long wait for help. Pack non-perishable, high-energy foods like granola bars, raisins, and peanut butter. These will keep your energy levels up during a crisis. Bottled water is crucial. Keep a few gallons in your car at all times, especially during hot weather. Finally, keep a good map in your car. GPS might not always be reliable, and a good old-fashioned map can be a lifesaver. Remember, your car can be your greatest asset in an urban emergency. Equip it wisely, and it will become your mobile survival unit. So, there you have it, your crash course in urban survival. We've covered everything from creating an emergency plan to packing a survival kit, from mastering first aid to escaping your home in a crisis. Remember, the urban jungle can be just as unpredictable as any wilderness out there, but with the right knowledge, the right preparation, and the right mindset, you can face any challenge head-on. Now, I've faced my fair share of dangers, from venomous snakes to raging rapids, but I'm still here, and that's because I never give up. I adapt, I improvise, and I overcome, and that's what I want you to do. Take these skills, make them your own, and become the ultimate urban survivor. Stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you out there in the concrete jungle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more survival tips.